All right, so today we're going to be doing an 010 550 power stroke. Be doing a EGR and a downpipe delete kit. We got our coolant drain kit, bolts, gaskets, you got your block off plate, shift on the fly switch, 2 coolant plugs, and then this right here is to bypass the EGR valve. We went with the Auto Agent EaseLink, all done from your phone. So yeah, just jump into it with the tuner first, and then we'll go from there. So to install this, you plug it in, turn the key on, AC off, radio off, 10 amp charger, plug it in, blue light will come on, go to your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the EaseLink Wi-Fi on your phone. Open up the app, make an account, then it'll ask to link this VIN number, hit yes, hit link, and then after that, you're gonna go to the toolbar on the left-hand top side. Click on that, click vehicle, and then click EC. It says ECU profiles. You click there, and then you'll click whether you're doing a shift on the fly or just a single tune. Click shift on the fly tunes or single tunes. We went with a single tune, and then you can pick out of those right there. And it's really just step by step. You just turn the cycle the key a couple times, let it run its cycle, and then you're good. So now that we've got the tuner installed, we're going to jump to the exhaust. You got the back section, the front section. You got your 2 supplied bolts right here. You got your band clamps. This is an extra piece just in case you need it. You put that in the middle. Do not cut these 2 pieces. If you have to cut any piece, you just cut that piece and fit it right in the middle of those 2. Take it off. See if you can see under here. Take it off, you're going to unbolt right here, and then up in there's another one, and then there's an exhaust hanger right here, and all the way back this is one piece. That's where you're going to unhook it at, right there. Those 2 bolts, that exhaust hanger, this thing should hit the ground. You can let it down on the jack stands and then unplug the wires, or you can unplug the wires before, but that is the chunk that you want to take out from there to right there. Finally got this thing out. I will say, these two bolts right here are rusted, buddy. Rusted. I'm talking rusted. So, I ended up just taking a Sawzall with a metal blade made for cast iron, cut these two off. That was fine. Then you just gotta pop these off. These are a little bit of a hassle if it's rusted as bad as mine is. I mean, look at this. Like, the metal's about to break. Rusted. This sensor, you got a plug right here, and then this sensor right here. Then you got that fan clamp I told you. Done. Now you got the new exhaust going in. It looks something like, boom. We will not be using that, I'm guessing. That's about the exact size. Want to start from the front, work your way back. Exhaust is in. You got a little bit of clearance right there. On these 550s, they don't like much. So, get it over there. See you coming in right there, new pipe. I had to drop the hangers right there. And then really just started from the front. Started from the front, did those two right there. Just got them finger tight, just right to the edge of the bolt. Then I hooked that thing on, hooked the exhaust hanger up on there. Slid this mid pipe in right here, all the way there. And then I slid my two band clamps over, that band clamp, and that one right there. And then I tightened from front to back. So I tightened them two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Tighten this. Tighten that. Started the truck for the first time. No check engine light. I just unplugged here, unplugged here. I'm gonna take all that out here in a minute with that. But there she is right there, boys. People can't get a little puff or two out of it, huh? On that wide frame. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy. Alright, now that we got the exhaust done, the tune done, gonna hop over to the EGR cooler delete. First you're gonna wanna go ahead and unplug that throttle body. You're gonna wanna unplug the two EGR sensors right here. They're pretty easy, you just push down and then push down right there, pull them out. You're gonna wanna disconnect this battery and take it out completely, driver's side. And then see if I can't get y'all under there. You're gonna wanna come right here, driver's side, right there. That little white plastic bolt you're gonna undo with a little Allen. You can add a little hose right there. I am, and it'll feed right into my bucket.
Apologies for the missing steps due to my phone battery dying. To continue with the process, after removing the battery, proceed by detaching the overflow battery box, by undoing the 4 bolts securing it, and disconnecting the 2 pipes. Next, carefully extract the vertical cooler followed by the horizontal cooler, which may be a bit tricky to remove, but the bolts are easily accessible. Then remove the mounting brackets for both coolers and replace the bolts with the shorter ones provided. Proceed by undoing the 4 bolts securing the EGR valve on top and loosening them. Then clamp upon the intercooler pipe. Remove the 2 8mm bolts, holding the pipes in place for the plugs to be inserted. Now, you can begin installing the new components, such as the block-off plate for the horizontal EGR cooler and the 2 block-off plates using the same 8mm bolts. Finally, install the pipe connecting the intercooler piping to the intake. Secure any unused plugs with zip ties. Close the drain plug and refill with coolant.